And these cooler temperatures are really going to help keep like the snow cover this time because it always seems to disappear. And
Great ski weather.
Yeah, so
exactly.
now with the cooler temperatures that we have, it's going to actually stick around. So we will have a white Christmas. It's fantastic. That's not going to really be starting in. We're not going to start seeing that snowfall coming through until about maybe 3 or even 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. There are not as strong of winds coming through the area. 10 to 15 miles per hour coming from the south-southwest, and then we're going to start to decrease those wind speeds about 5 to 10 miles per hour in the evening. And then Sheridan's breakdown, tomorrow's highs are going to be sitting 30s and 40s as we get through the first day of our work week. A little bit warmer in Buffalo and Gillette, 50 and 52.
Are you excited about snow?
I mean, you're not going to find me out like voluntarily making snow angels or anything, but if you look at this map here, you got quite a bit of color going on. And quite a few weather alerts that will be starting to take into effect about midnight tonight. I'll have more details about what we can expect and those weather alerts right after the break. Welcome back, everybody. Let's start off by taking a quick look at some of these alerts that we have in the northern half of the state. So starting off in the northwest, we have that winter storm watch in effect until Friday, 12 p.m. for the portions highlighted in blue for Fremont, Hot Springs, Lincoln, Park, Sublette, and Teton County. Now heading over to the central northern portion, we have the winter weather advisory for Sheridan County. I know it says Bighorn, but you can ignore that. That's Bighorn County in Montana. So Sheridan County, that advisory is in effect until 12 p.m. on Friday. Winter storm watch for the areas in blue for portions of Bighorn, Fremont, Johnson, Natrona, and Washakie counties. And heading over to the northeast, we have that winter storm watch in effect until Friday, 6 p.m. for the areas highlighted in blue for Crook and Weston counties. Now let's kind of take a quick look at our radar satellite around Wyoming. We have some increasing clouds coming into the state, and if you look over into Teton County, we have some very light snow showers starting to develop in these early morning hours. And I do want to kind of zoom out a little bit and get a better idea of the bigger picture. So this is part of a larger system that's continuously making its way into our state. So we will see some potential showers coming in, not really today per se, but as we continue getting into the evening, into tomorrow is when we're going to start seeing some mixed, mostly snow showers, I should say, and those scattered showers are going to kind of dissipate as we get into Thursday afternoon into the evening. However, we have a monster system that's going to start making its way over into Wyoming as we get overnight into Friday morning, and that's when the mess is really going to start coming through. Now, how much are we looking at as we get into Tuesday in the morning? Well, not too bad. We have a lot of areas that are just seeing a trace of snow, but then we do have some areas like Johnson County is going to be seeing over 8 inches of snow, possibly. Sheridan County, just over 7 inches. Taking a quick look over on the eastern half of the state, we do have a lot of areas anywhere between 3 to 5 inches, with the exception around Weston and Crook counties have anywhere between 8 up to 10 inches. But this is a worst case scenario, so you won't have to, if not all of this comes in, then we're going to be doing pretty good. Now, breaking down the school forecast for Casper, we will be getting up to 46 degrees today, 56 by the afternoon, and we will see mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. It's going to be breezy, west winds at about 20 to 25 miles per hour, gusts up to 35. Riverton, we will have temperatures increasing to about 58 degrees by the evening, west winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts up to 25 over in Fremont County. And Sheridan, we're going to start seeing some slight rain showers making their way into the state or into that area around the noon, getting a high of about 45 degrees. And then we will be breaking down our 4 corners of the state, a lot of 40s and 50s as we continue getting through the afternoon into tomorrow, or getting through our day today, excuse me. And then we will have most of the showers that are going to be staying in the northern portion of the state. That 7-day forecast, it's just going to be a roller coaster ride for Casper. I'm sorry, I hate to tell you guys, but that's just the truth of the matter. And then heading over to Riverton, we are going to see kind of the same thing. Highs are going to be 40s, 50s, 60s, and they're going to be up and down throughout the entire week. Up in Sheridan, same thing. We're going to see temperatures teens, 20s, into the 40s, and up to the 60s. Elizabeth, it's going to be just crazy weather all weekend into next week. I don't know about you, but I'm just going to have to flip a coin and decide which day I want to go outside.
Yeah, maybe I'll just stay inside this week.
I mean, that's up to you.
Thanks so much.